Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Tata Sumo with cardboard step by step. Start by gathering corrugated cardboard sheets, a ruler, pencil, craft knife, hot glue, masking tape, and paint. Choose scale and measure the chassis and cabin panels accurately before cutting. Score fold lines and assemble with tabs and glue, reinforce wheel arches, attach cardboard axles and wheels, sand edges, and paint with primer and color coats for a realistic finish. Measure and mark all parts precisely to ensure a snug fit and balanced model. Cut slowly with a sharp craft knife, using a metal ruler as a guide for straight edges. Assemble the chassis first, reinforcing stress points with layered cardboard and tape. Test fit wheels and steering components before final gluing to avoid misalignment later. Finish by sanding rough edges and painting primer before color layers to minimize warping and improve adhesion. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more step-by-step cardboard builds. Quick recommendation. The product seen here is Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, a thoughtful and accessible read that pairs surprisingly well with patient crafting. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Construct the cabin using templates for windows and doors to keep proportions accurate. Reinforce internal corners with triangular cardboard braces and add dashboard, seats, and steering using layered pieces. Glue components securely. For realistic details, use thin cardboard strips for trim, toothpicks for mirrors, and a small pin for the antenna. Finish with clear coat to protect paint and add subtle weathering for authenticity. Take photos during assembly to record alignment and for reference when painting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.